nice bright sunny day today. There's a bit of timber in there. Don't know where we're docking, but we must be getting pretty close, I think. Sun's coming out. We're moving at a snail's pace at the moment, so we must be just about due to dock somewhere very close by. There's not enough space in there, so I don't think we're going there. Maybe we're going to pull up alongside there. Who knows? Soon find out. That boat there has a helipad on it. This one here is the Zambezi. With a whole bunch of logs next to it. And I suspect we could be actually putting into this wharf here. It kind of looks that way. Yep, looks like this is the one. Well, that sure is a heck of a lot of timber out there. Moss-coloured pylons. I don't know what they are.